Good morning. It's Saturday, June 22nd, about 9 a.m. and we are finally packed up, ready to head out on the Scout Mountain bikepacking loop up in the Bannock Mountains outside of Pocatello. It's looking like it's gonna be a hot one. It's only 9 o'clock and it's already feeling plenty warm, and it's only gonna get hotter from here. It's a pretty short loop, 50 miles total, but there's about 8,000 feet of climbing. So it'd be a good test of our legs and how they handle a bunch of vert before we do the CT in a month or two. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get after it. Found a swing a couple miles in. This is hilarious.
Missing a piece?
Yeah. We're like 4.5 miles in. Just had my first major mechanical of the trip. The rear rack just sheared a pin and jettisoned off the bike. But not to worry, I've got it fixed. I've stolen the Allen wrench out of one multi-tool to use in place of a shear pin. And then I put some electrical tape on it, and then finally a hose clamp for good measure. So maybe you can see it down here. We'll see how well it holds. Cross your fingers.
Oh boy, look out. Oof. There's a big drop off here too, but it's hidden in the bushes. This kind of sucks.
Car took a bit of a spill. She seems to be okay though. Is this poison ivy? I think we're gonna find out later tonight.
This trail sucks so bad. ton of cougars in here. Look, someone left a freaking bear spread. There's no bears. There's only cougars.
Do I see the Mother Mary in this? Jesus, he's giving us a sign.
How many more signs do we need?
We just stopped and ate lunch, and we've decided we're gonna turn her around and head back. Kind of had the odds against us on this one. Didn't seem like it was really worth it for the effort. Some really, really overgrown trails. We've just been absolutely bushwhacking, super slow going. Had a couple falls in rocky, steep, loose sections. And we've only made it like 7 miles in 2.5 hours. So yeah, we're just gonna head back, go get a hamburger, call it a day, cut our losses. Sometimes it be like that, huh? Oh.
Good job.
Yep. Idaho wins this one. We'll take our loss and head back home.